Hello Pressaholic gang, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Deja, the owner of Pressaholic, and on this channel we love everything nail art and nail business. So if you would like, then you can click subscribe down below and like this video at the end if you enjoyed it. So today I ended up getting my IGel Beauty nail polishes. I ordered it during Black Friday and was super surprised that the shipping really didn't take long at all. I actually wasn't planning to like unbox this in this video, but I had decided to just show off some of the nail polishes that I got. And lately I've been super obsessed over their nail stickers, so I definitely needed to pick some up in this haul. They were having their 60% off again for Black Friday, and I honestly just couldn't help myself, so that's what we got today. So you see all those nail stickers. I also got Moonlight Path, Precious Pink, Blissful Blue, crocus, I don't even know, Red Berlin. I also got Carnation, which is a duplicate, and Charme use. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. I feel like some of these are so hard to pronounce. This one is Cappuccino, and this box did come pretty beat up, so I might just take it out of the packaging altogether. I also got Martinique, I don't know, and Jet Black. I'm so bad with names, guys. I really need to get better. But we're just gonna start off with the nail stickers. They had so many cute nail stickers for Christmas. I had to get them. So I actually have bought one pack of these Christmas stickers and absolutely love them, so I had to go back and get more. I also got these before, the little snowflakes, and I just really love them, so I got some of those as well. Again, more Christmas stickers, and also this nail sticker is going to be part of a giveaway at the end of this video. So I will be trying to do giveaways throughout the month of December. There are going to be a bunch of mini giveaways, but I really do want to give back to my YouTube family. You guys always support me, and I truly appreciate it. So here I got some marijuana leaves in green and in gold. I also got these little Louis Vuitton rainbow stickers. I probably should have got more of those. This one's also a duplicate. I already have this one, but I love just like the perfect size of them. And I also got these. I thought that they were cute, so and this one is definitely my favorite. These trees are so cute. I think I got like 3 packs of those. Yep, 3 packs of those. The only thing with being a press-on business is that you always need to buy like way more than just one of everything, especially if you're putting it on your website. So you always want to grab like 3 or 4 of something that you really like, and that way to, you know, have enough to put on your website and not run out. Also, I'm sorry if I sound super tired, guys. I just woke up and really wanted to get this video out to you guys. And I was also brainstorming on things that I can do for the month of December. I know that a lot of YouTubers usually do like Vlogmas and things like that. Unfortunately, I honestly just don't have the time to do Vlogmas and trying to record every day. But I will be trying to bring out some videos of nail art at least maybe twice a week. So instead of just posting on Tuesdays, I may try to post at least 2 to 3 times just really short videos of really simple winter type of designs. Also, I did throw in a bonus in this video. I will be showing you how to do a snowflake at the end of this video. So if a swatching video isn't really your thing, then you can just kind of skip through it, and at the end of the video I do show you how to make a snowflake design. So here I'm just swatching Precious Pink. I really enjoyed this color. I thought that was really pretty, although I don't like the consistency of it. Here I'm just going to be doing a second coat, but I noticed that the consistency of this gel polish was very thick and a little bit just hard to work with. I do love that IGel Beauty gel polishes. They tend to level out by themselves if you just give it a second, which happened with this one. The consistency in itself just kind of gave me, I don't know, I don't want to say like a big problem or anything like that. Next we will be swatching Snow Crocus, I guess. These names are so hard for me. But yeah, so during this IGel Beauty haul, I guess, well, first of all, during their 60% off sale, they were having these gel polishes on sale for $2.88, which is literally unheard of. And it's also another reason why I really can't complain about IGel. Like, in every single one of my favorites videos, IGel Beauty is right there. I will say that I was not a fan of I guess their airbrush system. I did need to buy a new airbrush, basically a new airbrush, not the compressor but the handpiece, and yeah, wasn't a big fan. But this is a really pretty purple color and something that I really needed in my collection overall. I really just don't have purples, and every time that I'm shopping it's always for nudes and pinks. So here we have Blissful Blue, which I really wanted to expand my collection of blues as well. I feel like I just really stray away from these kind of colors, but this one was beautiful. I love this color for the winter and just like Christmas vibes. Like, I feel like this is a very pretty blue. This consistency is also kind of thick. Wasn't really a fan of it, but really enjoyed this color, so I will definitely just be working through it. So throughout the swatching, I am just painting them, putting them in the lamp for 30 seconds, taking them out, and top coating. I know that a lot of people usually don't do like 2 coats on a swatch stick, but in my case, I really want my swatches to be like the real I guess the real like view of how the color is going to look on the nail. So that's just what I do. I cure 30 seconds, take them out, and then top coat for 60 seconds. So here I have Red Berlin, which I was super excited to get my hands on because with the holidays coming up, I know that this color was going to be really nice. So it's more of like a red glitter kind of vibe, I guess. In the last haul I got like a blue glitter, so I was really excited to get my hands on this one. The first coat is very sheer, I will say, but once the second layer got on the nail, it was really nice. I would definitely recommend this color if you are looking for more Christmassy colors and to make really cute Christmas sets. This will also look great even if it's just in your basics collection, just because the color is so nice. This is something that I would definitely use even for Christmas or even for fall, just because the color is so perfect. We are about to move on to Cappuccino, and yes, I accidentally put only one C on the swatch stick, but it's all good. So I would describe this color as like when you put too much milk in your coffee, and yes, I know that's happened to all of us, but I did really enjoy this color. I felt that it wasn't more of like a yellow color. Like, I really don't enjoy nudes that have like a yellow tint to it. It's just really not my favorite, but this color came out really nice. It was self-leveling and I cured it for 30 seconds, and here it is with the second coat on, and I believe that I also top coated it in this swatch. So here we have Charme use, that's how I'm gonna pronounce it, but I was super surprised at this color because it's something that I really wasn't expecting to fall in love with. I really do enjoy like pastel kind of colors, and it's something that I don't have in my collection, so I was very pleasantly surprised with this color. It was very subtle, almost like a purple and a blue meet each other, but really nice, and something that again I don't have in my collection. The top coat that I'm using is actually from Sparkle & Co, but because I bought the refill bottle on Amazon, I believe, yeah, I bought a $50 refill bottle of Sparkle & Co top coat from Amazon, and I've just been refilling my IGel Beauty bottles with it. I really love their top coat. It's so shiny, and a lot of you ask me what kind of top coat that I use because it's always very shiny, and Sparkle & Co is definitely the way to go. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I would definitely buy their refill bottle again, and it's lasted me so long. So here is the swatch with 2 coats, and as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. So here is Moonlight Path, and I'm not gonna lie guys, I actually got this color because I was so in love with the Moonlight Path scent from Bath and Body Works, and if you know what I'm talking about, then let me know down below, because that was my favorite scent from high school all the way until my adulthood. And it was overall a really pretty color. It was like a more like a fuchsia, I guess, fuchsia purplish. I'm not really a fan of purples, as I might have said, but I did want to expand my collection. So here is it with the first swatch. The consistency was really nice. I didn't have any problems with it, and I'm also going to do the last swatch, which is, I'm not even going to attempt to say this name, but it was overall a really pretty color as well. It was more of like a pink, which I wasn't expecting, but the consistency was perfect. Now for the part that you guys have probably been waiting for. I know that I really need to start doing more nail art videos on this channel, which is why I decided to take advantage of December for more nail art videos. So I did see this design on TikTok, and I really wanted to try it. So I'm using a dotting tool that I actually got from Dollar Tree. I'm using the more, I guess, bigger ball on the end to do the dots that I'm about to do, and I'm also using a longer detail brush that I actually got that brush from Shein, and I only spent like a few dollars for a 3-pack. So here you can see that I'm starting in the middle and I'm bringing my dots down, and again I'm going to dip into the white. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to put 2 dots onto the sides, and again dipping in and putting a dot in the middle and bringing it outwards. For the next part, I'm just going to use whatever's remaining on my dotting tool, and I'm just putting those kind of around the middle of the design. I didn't like that some of my dots came out smaller, so I would probably just to use the smaller dotting end to do that next time, but overall I was not mad at the design. And of course I'm just using my hand because I didn't have a non-wipe. So here I'm using that detailing brush, and I'm just bringing the product upwards. And for this design I didn't pick up any products, so I just used a clean detail brush to bring that product upwards. Don't worry if it's not perfect, it's completely okay. And I'm going to do that for all of those dots, and I'm just going to basically be connecting them. Here you can see that I kind of messed up, like I completely missed the dot, but it's completely okay. I'm just going to teach you how to fix that in just a minute. So I'm going to take my dotting tool again, and I'm going to use the smaller end, and I'm just going to put a dot there, and it's gonna look just fine. So that's just a quick way if you do decide to make the design on how to fix it. And I'm just gonna go over that one more time really carefully. And again, I'm gonna start in the middle. I'm going to connect that dot and leave it just like that, and then I'm going to repeat on all these sides. I decided not to speed this up just because I wanted to show you guys exactly how I did it in real time. I absolutely loved this design. It's something that I definitely plan to maybe bring to a few custom sets this year, or maybe do an actual set with it. I'm not really sure yet, but if you guys have been struggling with nail art, or you're just really not confident in nail art, I'm gonna give you some words of encouragement. Yes, nail art is super intimidating, but so is everything else. You can do it. If you just sit down and say, I'm gonna try something new today, you can do it. It's intimidating, but not impossible. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put that in my lamp. I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. You can do a 60-second cure if you want to. And I'm just going to top coat it per usual. Being honest, I might have done this in matte, which is super rare for me because I hate matte polish. I hate matte top coat, but I think this is a design that would look so nice with a matte top coat. So guys, if you stayed this long, thank you so much for watching. In the next few clips, you are going to see the swatches, and you're also going to hear me talk about our next giveaway. As I said, I thank you guys so much for supporting this channel, for giving me the opportunity to talk to you guys. I really do love you all, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm just chiming in here in real time. So I am going to do a few small giveaways throughout the month of December. If you are not yet subscribed and you do not want to miss out, just click subscribe down below and the little bell to be the first to be notified. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Prestaholic, subscribe on YouTube, and just leave your Instagram handle down below. That is it. And if you want to like the video, then it will help my channel so much. So the winner of this giveaway will be winning the IGel nail stickers in this Christmas theme. You will also be winning a nail stand with the magnetic stand and the little chest pieces. I think these are so cute. I have one for myself in white, and yeah, you just put the putty on, you can take them off and put them on. And you will also be winning a bag of extra long stiletto tips in the color pink from glamgoodies.com. As I said, to enter this giveaway is super easy, and the rules will be down below. Thank you so much for staying this long in the video, and I hope that you guys really learned something off of it. I really love the design that I have found on TikTok, but if you guys liked it, then let me know down below. And if you are going to try out this design, then also let me know down below. I think that if I was to do this on a nail, I would probably do matte, but it's completely up to you guys. I love you all, and I will see you next time. Bye.